Asıl.
Hello everybody, I am here in front of you to read a poem of school life. But before that, I would like to express myself, and I thank you for everybody for this program and to give me a chance. My name is Amiiraa Abdulaziz. School is a daily routine for us. In the morning we should to make a fuss. Even when the sun is still not up, here we are, awake at 6 a.m. We feel that school is such a bore. We feel that school is such a chore. Parents say, school's free, now go. We say, well, what do you know? We say, well, what do you know? Yes, a minute, and then we have to run. Eyes half open, shoe laps undone. We reach school, and then we see our friends. Imagine the torture ends. We have a chat, and then go with the flow. Then the bell rings, it's time to go. We may at times find school streets full. To have some fun, we have to bring some news. Sometimes the teachers, detention, we say no doubt. It's sometimes what we deserve. It's sometimes what we deserve. Sometimes they are as fair as eyes, and the other time they are actually really nice. They teach us and they give us a helping hand. They are forever ready to listen and be afraid. They put much confidence in us, just knowing they are really harsh. Over the years of education, never have we had so much learning with action. Such as campus, experiments and activities, we've learned so much and they even save us the traps. A wise teacher once said aloud, success is fire, turn it inside out. So stick to the fight when your heart does hit, rest if you must, but don't you quit. Somebody sees school as a torture camber, some cannot wait for the homeless in the summer. That is the problem on how you look at school. Honestly, relatively, school is school. Honestly, relatively, school is school. My name is Amiiraa Abdulaziz. My school name is Mitre Academy. Thank you for listening.
Thank you very much. I think we appreciate her with her very interesting pronunciation. She is not